Imagine starting your day feeling perfectly fine, only to face a sudden health crisis without warning. High blood pressure, often dubbed the silent killer, can strike without noticeable symptoms, especially in seniors. Let's uncover the hidden mistakes that could be jeopardizing your health. I'm Dr. Bosson, with decades of experience in geriatric medicine. Today, we'll explore 7 common blood pressure mistakes that seniors often overlook, and how to correct them for a healthier life. Mistake 1. Inconsistent medication use. Skipping or mismanaging blood pressure medication can have serious consequences. Medications are prescribed to maintain consistent blood pressure levels. Altering dosages without medical advice can lead to dangerous fluctuations. Example. Consider Mr. Thompson, 68, from Ohio. Feeling better, he had his medication dose without consulting his doctor. Weeks later, he suffered a minor stroke. Consistency is key. Tip. Use pill organizers or set daily alarms. Always consult your physician before making changes to your medication regimen. Mistake 2. Hidden sodium intake. Many processed foods contain hidden sodium, contributing to elevated blood pressure. It's not just about the salt shaker. Example. A can of soup can contain up to 900 milligrams of sodium. Daily consumption adds up quickly. Tip. Read nutrition labels carefully. Opt for low-sodium alternatives and incorporate fresh produce into your meals. Mistake 3. Neglecting regular blood pressure monitoring. Regular monitoring helps detect patterns and prevent complications. Relying solely on annual checkups isn't sufficient. Tip. Invest in a reliable home blood pressure monitor. Record readings and share them with your healthcare provider. Mistake 4. Unmanaged stress. Chronic stress can elevate blood pressure. It's essential to find effective stress management strategies. Tip. Engage in activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies that bring joy and relaxation. Mistake 5. Physical inactivity. A sedentary lifestyle contributes to hypertension. Regular physical activity strengthens the heart and improves circulation. Tip. Start with light exercises like walking or Tai Chi. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity most days of the week. Mistake 6. Excessive caffeine and alcohol. Overconsumption of caffeine and alcohol can raise blood pressure and interfere with medications. Tip. Limit caffeine intake and adhere to recommended alcohol guidelines, up to 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. Mistake 7. Poor communication with healthcare providers. Open communication with your healthcare team is vital. Don't hesitate to discuss side effects or concerns. Tip. Prepare questions before appointments and maintain an updated list of medications and supplements. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can take control of your blood pressure and enhance your quality of life. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Together, we can promote healthier lives for seniors everywhere. Sources of information for further reading. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. National Institute on Aging, NIA. Mayo Clinic. American Heart Association, AHA. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.